It's also, this tank is reconnected here with the 10mm bolt. The vacuum tube's on, our MAF sensors are on, all of our clamps are tight. And at this point, we're just gonna put our two covers back up at the top, back on, and this project is done. All in all, really not hard at all and should make a really huge difference. Plus, you've got the advantages of better airflow. You also have washable filters, so once a year, maybe pick a time of the year where you always take your filters out and you wash them and you clean them. Your instructions should come with cleaning instructions. And that's actually really kind of a nice thing. All of my cars now have cleanable filters that you can take out, and it really is a pretty cool thing to do. And you don't end up just wasting money on filters year after year. And these are much better and higher performing filters than just your average cloth or paper ones. So at this point, we're all done. We're gonna put the glass covers on, fire the car up, take it for a drive, and really enjoy this change. All right, thanks so much. Talk to you soon. All right, out for a successful test drive around the block with the new intakes in. I tend to notice little things, and candidly, I do notice a little bit of difference in sound right away. And I love all the advantages that intakes like this bring. Your ability to have washable air filters, you can clean them, you can reuse them, and then it really does make a little bit of difference in power, and it does make a little bit of difference in sound, which is cool. I think I can hear my turbos spinning up a little bit more than what I heard before. So as you go through this, once you fire your car back up, definitely take it for a ride. Make sure you don't have any error codes or any problems. You shouldn't, as long as you plugged your MAF sensors back in. But if those weren't plugged in or put in properly, you'll know it right away because you're going to get error codes and other sorts of issues. But the MAF codes only go in one direction, or your MAF sensors only go in one direction, or at least they should, and then you plug them in and you're good to go.